does not fail, however fraud or force assail, by honor, pride, and policy, by heaven itself, we must be free. Time had already thinned our chain, time would have dulled our sense of pain. By service long and suppliance vile, we might have won our own smile. Spurred the thought, our prison burst, and dared the despot to the worst, renewed the strife of centuries, and flung our banner to the breeze. We called the ends of earth to view, the gallant deeds we swore to do. They knew us wronged, they knew us brave, and all we asked they freely gave. We took the starving peasant's might to aid in winning back his right. We took the priceless trust of youth, their freedom must redeem our truth. We promised aloud and boasted high to break our country's chains or die. And should we quail, that country's name will be the synonym of shame. Earth is not deep enough to hide the coward slave who shrinks aside. Hell is not hot enough to scathe the ruffian wretch who breaks his faith. But calm, my soul, we promise true, her destined work our land shall do. Thought, courage, patience will prevail,